I play right now. It's bad. It's really bad. Okay, we'll play a little bit of Osu just so you guys can see how bad I am on this tablet. Because it's not great.
It might not look like she's moving, but she is. She's breathing. Oh, did you see her hair move? Oh, it's so good. This one comes with some sweet music. But dude, this is so cool.
Oh, you know what? I can't do my camera setup for
Let me
Osu like I used
go.
to because I moved some furniture around. I have a keyboard now. I have like when we're doing stuff sometimes.
Let's change
I'll probably
this
like
one.
do what Enoch does and like just move the camera over and play. I don't know. Or it could just be like a
Look at that, dude.
So I'm learning like nothing but video game and anime songs. Well, I'm a weeb.
God, I wish you could see the amount of detail that goes into this. It's actually insane. Like, you can't tell just how high the quality is from this. It's actually amazing.
God, it just feels so weird. Like, it's the actual area that I'm using is really not that much different. It's just like the overall size of the tablet just throws me off so bad. Because like I have to find a different resting position that I'm comfortable with. I'm gonna need to turn up the volume a little bit.
Mm-hmm. There you go, Drew. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. Let's go top monitor. Change. Let's go to boom.
Why are all these 3-star? Did I click on the wrong thing? Yes.
I'm gonna have to set it so that my actual Windows wallpapers just don't even show up anymore. Oh my gosh, this is so cool, dude.
Oh boy. So
Isn't this sick?
This isn't even high BPM.
Like, this is just amazing. Like, I've seen people use this, and I had no clue it was actually this sweet. Oh, this one has music. It's so aesthetic. Just take volume. Choose monitor. Change wallpaper. Boom. Story in the Blind Forest. Like, this is just so cool. Like, I can't put into words how awesome this is. Like, you can see it. Like, I'm recording it, but still. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen this one yet. Oh. God, on my phone it looks like it's still, but it's not. Oh, this one has music too. Ooh, this one's sick. I have no clue what this is from, but it looks cool as hell. Of course, the Witcher 1 comes with music.
That's what we came to see.
Ah, it's a Miku Nier. That one comes with a little, like, widget thing. You can't obviously do anything with. Whoa!
And
My mouse has little effects come off of it. Oh my god, what? Dude! Okay, this
like
is.
I'm actually getting burned from this song.
I already did this one. Oh, this one responds to sound. DNA fragment. These are just basic ones. Beach. Audio file. Wow, this one's sweet. It comes with music too. Dude, the music for these fits so well. I will sleep to this. Oh my gosh, you can hear her. There's no music to this. You just literally listen to her sleep. This is the single greatest thing I've ever come across in my entire life. Yeah, this one's a fucking game.
When was the last time you sent me one of your maps, dude? It's probably over a year ago. What rank am I even? 33K. Jesus Christ. Oh, here we go.
Oh, the post-apocalyptic.
We got a bump.
Dude, this is 1080p 60 FPS. Holy shit, this looks so good. Wow, those particles. This literally looks like gameplay, like not gameplay obviously, but dude. Oh, the rings are moving. Oh, I'm sorry. I know nobody's gonna watch this video the whole way through, but I'm making it anyways. This is too cool. This one you get the rain sounds and it comes with music. I understand. I think this was like the highest rated one. I think I know why. Like the quality on this is amazing. Okay, I think that's all I've got. Other than just some basic ones you get for not that one. Some you just get with it. They're real super basic. Wow, fantastic car. Dance. I wanna dance, 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 dance. Fantastic car. But yeah, that's it. That's all I've downloaded so far. Oh, that one's cool too.
What?
This one comes with, I feel like it's Skyrim music. I don't know what this is from. Oh, I bet you it's Tomb Raider. It looks like Tomb Raider. Nah, it doesn't really. It looks like I don't know. It sounds like Skyrim music. I know I've heard the music before, but I do not know what this is actually from. It's cool as hell though. And it looks amazing. I honestly cannot stress just how good this all looks. It's crazy. Oh, there's the settings. Whoa, I can crank this up to 60 FPS. Oh my god, I did this entire time with 25 FPS, dude. Whoa! No way. Okay, listen to this music. What's it from? Tell me that's not from fucking Skyrim, dude. Like, seriously? I'm
I'm just
But yeah,
mashing
okay, that's it.
it.
Goodbye.